Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Nexus Anal Relax Gel. So let's get started. So this is the Nexus Anal Relax Gel itself. It comes in 50 milliliters and a little goes a long way. It has a handy pump there so you can dose out however much you want. Now this will help you relax better and enjoy anal sex more. The gel is water-based and has a cooling effect, soothing the area and allowing the anal muscles to relax. So because it's a water-based lubricant, it can be used in combination with silicone sex toys. You can use a small amount to the anus and massage gently. Please note it's different per person, so everyone's experience will be different. Simply using the pump, squeeze out however much you want. It's a transparent, clear lubricant. It's slightly thicker as well. It's very smooth on the skin, easy to apply, and it's not sticky. Simple and easy to use. And that is the Nexus Anal Relax Gel. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.